So what did the French chef give his wife on Valentine's Day? A hug and a quiche. Get it? Hug and a kiss. Sounds like French kiss, quiche. No? Thought that was pretty good.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, the Turk Hassan back here with my first ever, that's right, my first ever Yeezy slides in this Flax colorway. Now the Yeezy slides, they do have a reputation for a good reason. Not only the comfort is just on point, but they look pretty cool too. However, for me, it's been a total nightmare trying to get my hands on a pair, and this is the only time I've been lucky. And yes, other than the Onyx colorway, I've not really been that bothered in trying to get them. I'd apply for raffles here and there very half-heartedly, so I didn't really want them, and I could have got them if I did. But this Flax colorway though, the brown on this just hit the right spot for me. Now, although these are retailing at £65, and for me that is just too much for a slide. I've been pretty happy with my Nike Osunas and my Benassis, and both of them together still cost cheaper than this. Of course, you're near enough paying for the hype, or the brand itself. Now on the confirmed app, I think they were 60 quid, but on Offspring where I got these from, they were 65. But after all the deliveries and that, it cost me just over £70, and I know it hurts me just to say it. So I am still pretty much on the fence about whether I'm keeping these or not, whether I'm selling them, trading them, or whatever else. But anyway, this being my first Yeezy slide, I'm excited to talk about it. But first, let's talk about the box. Now these do come with the generic style Yeezy box that we do get with the sneakers and of course the slides. And it's very boring pull out cardboard box. But on top of the lid, it does say slide. And then towards the side of it, it does say Yeezy slide made by Adidas. And then of course it says the same on the other side where the product sticker does say Yeezy slide, with the colorway of course being Flax, and then the sizing information. But when it comes to the sizing, we'll talk on that in a little bit. Now the slides in the box itself does come wrapped up in this tissue paper, and then of course that generic Adidas Yeezy tag, which again has all what it's made of and of course the sizing information and that sort of thing. And other than that, of course we have the slides. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the box. Nothing really exciting, but I weren't really expecting anything more. So the Yeezy slide, one of the biggest things everyone talks about when I talk to them about them is the sizing. So I was very nervous when it came to this slide. So when buying this pair, I kind of feel like I got it right going one size up. It's got a very snug feeling in terms of the length, but when it comes to the fit of it, there's still that loose feeling too. But I guess I am still curious to go for a UK 11, so if I do get my hands on a pair, I can compare them. And I'm normally a UK 9 in most sneakers and slides when it comes to Nike sizing anyway. So when it comes to this colorway in the Yeezy slide, I think going one size up was still my best bet. And if you do have wide feet, I can't lie to you broskies, I haven't got a Scooby-Doo where you go from here. If I had to guess though, I would say go 2 sizes up, just because of how narrow they go towards the toes. But that's just my guess, don't shoot the messenger. Right broskies, I know this is a slide and all, but we still have to do the traditional thing and take an up close and personal look. Now releasing on the 22nd of August, there was a little bit of hype behind these. Nothing compared to the Onyx colorway, but there was still some talk. There's a lot of hype behind browns at the moment because of Yeezy, Travis Scott, and of course Fear of God Essentials. And I've kind of fallen sucker to it as well, I can't lie. But making way around this slide, it is pretty much a one unit piece. But is it the best looking slide? I don't know, I'm gonna leave it to you to tell me. Ring off the comments down below and let me know what you think. I'd kind of say yes, just because of how simple it actually looks. But anyways broskies, there's nothing too extravagant in terms of the branding, other than the Adidas 3 stripes towards the back on the insole. And then on the inside, of course, we have that product sticker with the same sizing information, the barcode and that sort of thing. We have Yeezy, the sizing, and of course made in China. And believe me broskies, trying to get that on the B-roll was an absolute nightmare. But yeah, other than that, around the heel we've sort of got that indented design towards the back. And the only other thing worth mentioning is of course the outsole. It's very reminiscent to the Asuna slides. And to be fair, I'm not even sure which came first, but we'll go with the Yeezys. The only thing that really cheesed me off, and this is my OCD acting up, is that little hole punch towards the front. Right where the big toe would sit, you've got that circular hole punch. And I'm not sure if it's just my pair, but if every pair's like this, that would jar me so much. But yes, it is on my left and right slide, so that is so annoying. But let me know broskies, does this come on every single Yeezy slide? And it being my first one and all, I need to know. Right, just like next door neighbour's cat that keeps pooing near my bedroom window, if you're still on the fence, well, I guess we'll decide together. This part of the video broskies, we are deciding whether these are a buy or a buy. Of course, Yeezy as a brand is all hype in my opinion. Every single pair of sneakers look the same. The only one that sort of stands out for me is I think the 450, and that just looks weird. But of course, that's my opinion. Some people love the shoes and love the brand. The foam runners for me though is sort of hit and miss. It all depends on the colorway. But every other Yeezy slide has all been a hit, apart from I guess you could say the green glow pair. Other than that pair, they've all been pretty popular. But for me, of course, if I had to pick one pair, it would be the Onyx colorway. Even my Nike Asunas and Banassis, they are both black because I know getting them dirty, I won't have to worry. But anyway, talking about the Flax colorway, it does look cool, don't get me wrong, but I'm still not sold on the price when it comes to Yeezy slides. At that retail price, at 60 quid, I'm just not sold. And I know there's going to be Yeezy disciples in the comments, but I'm willing to take it. Yes, they may be the best looking slide out there. They are very comfortable, but for the price, it just notches it down so much for me. The Nike Asunas, for me, I have no complaints, and for near enough half the price, I'll take them any day. But myself being such a Nike head, I'm always going to be biased. Of course, if you do have the money, then go for them. But in my opinion, £60 is a little too much for a slide. Even these being a Yeezy and all, I still have to give these a buy. But broskies, comment down below what you think. Do you agree with what I'm saying in terms of the pricing and the hype? Or am I talking absolute waffle? Leave it all down below and I will pin the best comments. Anyways broskies, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit me up on IG as well because I'm most active over there. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And of course, take care.